Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a free way by which you can create an API key to call different AI models. This free way is called as Hugging Face Inference API. So if you directly type this on Google, this is actually a free and unlimited way by which you can create API keys to all the AI models. So this website will come, and for this you need to have a Hugging Face account. So you will see all the inference providers will be there. So this is a list here, right here. And if you see that your first API call, simply sign up. You can start with a free account, get started for free. They also have a pro account as well, $9 per month, and you can create unlimited applications. And now from here, you click on sign up. If you already have a GitHub account, you simply log in with this. Let me just check if I have already a Hugging Face account. So you can see that now I have already have a Hugging Face account. So what I will do, so just click on that, and so right here, if you see, if you go to their Hugging Face account models, you will see this model section. So almost 44,000 models are there. You can even filter out by name as well. So all the open source, free, paid, every model is present on this website. From here you select, you can see that, simply search for your favorite model as well, it will come. Click on model section. So right here we have given this step-by-step documentation how to get started for each model. So let's suppose we are using this image generation model flux 1.dev. So right here you get this option to run this API. So inference providers let you run inference on thousands of models directly. So you click on view API code. So directly it gives you this in different languages, Python, JavaScript. You can see that. So in Python you can copy this code, and directly if I paste it, so you can see that now it has pasted this. So right here you just need to replace the API token of Hugging Face, and then you can call this. So where to get this API token? It's very simple. You go to settings section right here, or access token. So right here you click on the settings, go to access token, and right here create new token, and just give it a token name. So just allow all the access. Click on create token, and now this will give you this token right here. And just replace this token from here. So after doing that, if you run the Python script now, so now if you run this, it will, we are simply asking this model to, we are simply writing the prompt, and we are using this AI model to generate the image for us. So I think it has now executed this. So you can see there was no error there. I think we haven't saved the image, that's why. You can print out this image. So now you can see it has returning this JPG image here. You can simply save this image inside your computer as well. So I can simply ask Chat GPT to actually, so I can simply say, please save this image as JPG image. Simply I can now paste this. So we are now saving this image as a JPG image. Astronaut horse.jpg. So we are saving this image file. So saved as. So now if you see, we are simply generated a professional looking high quality HD image, as you can see. So in this easy way guys, you can see that you can get started for completely free, and in this easy way, let me once again run this. So it's completely unlimited. You can run as much times, you will not get a warning. Yeah, so if you are on the free plan, you have initial credits. So you will get this warning that you have depleted your monthly included credits. Purchase prepaid credits to continue using inference providers. Alternative, subscribe to Pro for 20x more included usage. So this inference provider API is very insane. You can use this, simply create the token, and then you can directly use any models for completely free. All the providers are there, as you can see. From here you can browse models from here. Hugging Face, as you all know, it's a free open source website where it lists out all the models. So you can see that Kimi K2, which is a very popular model, and we have inference providers, as you can see. So again, you can see that you can even open the model in their playground section as well. So they have their own playground section where you can actually try out the model directly. So right here, you can ask a question, compare different models. You can see that. So now it is comparing different models directly. You can ask any question, just compare models. So now you can see it is generating the response for you. So thereby you can actually compare different models. So definitely check this out.